some cut watermelon.
Some cut feta, because feta cheese is delicious. Now, if you don't like feta cheese, you can substitute it with whatever your favorite cheese.
If you wanted to substitute it, you could do like a queso fresco.
Yeah, nice crumbly cheese.
Yeah, but it also still has that like kind of sharpness.
Yeah.
Because you want it to be salty, because like what you're doing is getting the super sweet watermelon with the salty feta.
Exactly.
And then pair it with some arugula. So you get a nice little peppery flavor to it. So
and it just makes a nice salad when you mix it all together, and then you can basically top it with your favorite dressing. We, of course, like all dressings because we do like all salads.
But one that goes really well with this is a balsamic vinaigrette.
Yeah. And
we actually really love it with that. But it would also go really nicely with like a red wine vinaigrette as well.
Exactly. So
you have your salad packed up and ready to go.